Hey guys, it's Katie and I'm coming at you guys from a hotel where I'll be living for 2 weeks. So as you guys know, I was moving out of my house and I officially moved out of my house today, Monday, June 14th. We have spent the past week and a half packing up our house, getting everything in the storage pods. I filmed all of the packing, but I kind of wanted to sit down and narrate while I'm introducing those clips because there was just a lot of stuff that happened and went into this. I also look like an egghead because I just got back from the gym. My hair is terrible. So like, please don't mind that. I'm officially out of my house. It's really weird. You'll figure out why I'm in a hotel for the next 2 weeks and you're gonna get hotel vlogs. It's just gonna be so fun. Once I'm out of the hotel, you'll get move-in vlogs. But for now, we're doing pack with me to move out of my house because I'm officially out of the yellow room. Rip Katie's corner. So first we started off with my dad randomly coming into my room one night and saying, Katie, you haven't packed anything. All of us have been packed already. Let me pack your sweatshirts. Bryan just came in and literally threw all my sweatshirts in a bin. That's 6 bags of donation.
Did you really?
Yes.
Like this? You're keeping this?
Yes.
That's not my favorite.
It's comfy. My friends Jack and Christian, 2 of my guy friends, came and helped me pack my room again because I was one of the only family members who had not packed anything in their room. They came over at like 9:30 one night and stayed till like 11. It was awesome. They really helped to like spike that motivation to have to start packing. And my guy friends are just hilarious and you'll see a lot of them throughout this video, which makes it 10 times better. My packing committee. This is a good look for you, Christian. You too, Jack. I hired help. Guys, these are my boxes so far. And now this one. And this is the rest of the stuff we packed.
It's because you stuffed that
Stuff that
Stuff
to that thing. And here's my room right now. It's literally empty. Look at the closet. When has it ever been that empty before? Never. You can see the top of it. That's crazy. Are you showing off your calves? Or no, your quads? What? Quad check.
All 3 of them.
Quads.
Fish are bouncing off the walls. Is there something that food?
Maybe. Christian and Jack just left. It's 11:15 on Tuesday, June 8th. We moved the 14th, and so I gotta make a lot of progress, and they helped me pack a ton. Thank you so much to Christian and Jack. Like, that was a lifesaver. But here is my closet. It's officially very empty. We packed so much more. We're not gonna be in our new house for 2 more weeks after we move out, so I have to have some clothes. So I'm still gonna go through these and pack some, but these are the ones I'm leaving out for now. And then this entire side is empty as well. I need to go through this and all of these, and then these hangers will all get thrown away. This is empty. There's a few more things in there we have to pack. All of this is empty as well. The boys helped me pack these 4 full boxes and they're all labeled. So like Katie random stuff, not necessities, Katie sweatshirts and pants. This is makeup that I'm keeping that was in my vanity. These 2 are full of clothes. And here was my PR closet. It's literally empty. If you guys remember this, it used to be so full. This was full of PR I got sent and I donated all of it. I'm taking these boxes full of makeup, skincare, and hair care to a women's shelter. So I'm really excited about that because it's all unopened and unused. Like full to the brim stuff in here. It's so weird that I'm moving so soon. It still hasn't kind of like set in, but the boys are gonna keep helping me pack later dates, but for now I'm going to bed because I'm exhausted. Then I did some random packing here and there throughout the days. I would just kind of do a little bit each day because I knew that I was super busy leading up to today, which is the day that we actually moved out. So I had to do a lot of packing, decluttering, donating, organizing before we actually packed everything into the pods, the storage pods. It's Friday. I just got off of work. It's 4:30 p.m. and I come home and my room is literally empty. We're moving this Monday. The downsized house that we're moving into isn't going to be ready for 2 more weeks, so we have to find somewhere to live during those 2 weeks because this house is already sold. So when we move out on Monday, my mom, the dogs, and Cam are going to go to the mountain house and stay in Blue Ridge, and my dad and my brother Chase and I are going to stay in a hotel and maybe an Airbnb. Chase and I have work and my dad has work and my mom can work from the mountains, which is awesome, but we just have commitments that we have to stay locally for. This is like the last of the yellow room, which is insane. Like, this is so crazy. It all happened so fast. Here's my room. Like, Bed on the floor. The fairy lights are plugged in because it's the only light I have. My nightstand is gone. This mirror is gonna be gone. All in boxes. I need to pack all of this, pack all of this. This mirror is gonna be gone. Don't mind my outfit. I tucked my shirt because I didn't want to wear it tucked in anymore. My fish tank is plugged in over here because my dresser's gone. So the fish tank used to be over there, but now it's in my bathroom. The fish are living in the bathroom for 2 days. This was such a turning point in my career, but I'm kind of happy with it. It feels good that change is happening. It's just kind of new and different. The last of the yellow room, only for like Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh my gosh, I have less than 3 days left in this house. And Saturday came along. Saturday was the big day. It's when my parents were gone and me and all of my friends and siblings had to pretty much move everything out of the house and into the garage. This took forever and I had so much help from so many friends, so thank you to all of them. I'm literally sitting up so tall for this. I'm like, this is how I actually sit. There's no good place to put a camera in a hotel room. You can see the sweat glistening on my face. So it's Saturday morning. My parents left to go to Blue Ridge, and Bella and I have been working all morning, bringing all of this stuff up from the basement. All the stuff was in the basement, and we've been bringing it up outside through this back gate and putting it here so then later my dad can put it into the moving pods. Since our house isn't gonna be ready for 2 weeks, we're putting all of our stuff in these pods. They go into storage for 2 weeks, and then when we move, we'll unpack everything out of the pods. There she is. We've been bringing all this stuff up all morning. It is so incredibly hot out. And it's just been us two. Hopefully some of our male friends are coming in for backup. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'm dying over here. It is so hot. This is my cardio for the next week, bro. Honestly. But like these pod things are so big. Bella has to leave in like an hour. So then it's just gonna be me. I'm just hoping that some of our guy friends will pull up and show out. I really hope so. Just one would be helpful. But everyone's busy taking the ACT, traveling, or doing something. So we're making progress. We have to take all of this upstairs. This arcade machine is so incredibly heavy. This we got the ping pong table out of, which is so good. This is all going to a women's shelter. We just have these boxes and these boxes. We got all of the weights and everything out of the gym, which is so nice. That took forever. We also got everything out of this room, which is empty. It's 2 p.m. We made some progress. Bella left. My friend Trent came and helped. We got pizza, and now Christian and Jackson are helping. You wanna say hi to my vlog? I need you to go pack your bags, Cam.
Me and Cam are having a good conversation.
Okay, you can have a good conversation, then you have to go pack your bags.
There's Katie.
Hey guys, why is it so dark? You have to face the lighting.
Sorry.
There you go.
Face the light.
There you go.
We're moving all this stuff. It's here. Let's.
It's really good, Christian.
Tony big around. Oh, it looked like that boy got stuck.
He looked like that boy.
Lost in the sauce.
Oh no, why is it so close?
You don't like
There.
it? I didn't want to see.
We gotta get that little parent selfie view, just like,
Mom selfie.
you gotta get the 2 hands in there.
Beach hair, don't care.
Why am I holding a camel holder?
I don't know. Turn around. She got us pizza, but she was like a total bitch about it.
I was not. It looks like it's about to topple. It's gonna fall. It's literally.
Where are we going?
I'm pedidextrous.
Jackson. No. Oh my gosh. How did you just do that? Come on.
Stop laughing.
Jackson, walk.
Can't.
You have to turn.
Even.
You have to turn. Yes, you can. You're so close. Christian, he's sitting. Jackson!
God, he was hitting me in the head. It's like, oh no! It's like,
This is all the stuff we moved from the basement. Okay, straight. Don't let it fall. Now just move it all the way back.
don't act like you're doing anything.
Straight back.
I have eyes.
Straight back. This is so funny.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Here's the suitcase packed of all the stuff that I'm gonna need for 2 weeks. All in here, we're gonna fill the rest of it up. And then the closet is pretty much empty. This whole box is filled with my clothes along with 3 other boxes that Jack helped me pack last week. So we gotta tape this one up.
Speedy.
Okay.
That's gonna do something.
Good job. So I'm almost done packing. I'm packing all of my toiletries and stuff that I'm gonna need for the 2 weeks while we're, oh no, I just spilled. While we're living out of hotels and Airbnb or wherever we decide to do. Here's my face wash that I just spilled absolutely everywhere. Jack is helping me. Thank you so much to everybody that came and helped me. All the guys were awesome. They did wonders and it made this so much easier. So thank you to them. Thank you to myself because I'm a baddie and I did a lot of this myself as well. This is so embarrassing, but I'm with Chase. Chase doesn't have a bed in his room anymore because it's packed, so he's in mine and I'm sitting on the floor of my empty room. It's the last night in this house and I definitely had an emotional breakdown. Or a few. How do you feel? I don't even know. Like,
Excited.
You're excited? You don't care?
Nah.
I mean,
I need some change.
yeah, change is good. It just all kind of hit me, you know? Definitely cried for a long time and posted a TikTok about it, which is like not like me. Like I'm not one to broadcast my problems, but it really hit me and I needed some comfort. So thanks to the TikTok fam. I thought I'd document the last night in our house. So it's Sunday, June 13th. We leave tomorrow. I'm going to get my car fixed at the mini dealership at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Last night in the house, I want to show you guys what my room looks like before it's empty, because it's pretty empty now. Here's the bathroom. Absolutely nothing in it besides the toiletries that will be packed and my fish tank that will be moving with us. Here is my room. This is where my mirror used to be. This is just trash and my Crocs I'm gonna wear. That's where my dresser used to be. These windows were always blocked by my vanity. That box will be full with all my bedding stuff tomorrow. That's the last thing we have to pack once my bed goes in the actual pods, like the moving pods. And then here's that wall that had my YouTube play buttons, and here's my closet, my suitcase that I'll be taking with me for 2 weeks. That closet actually has nothing in it. Like there's not one piece of anything in here. What?
One piece of everything.
There's not one piece of anything. And then that leads up to today where we packed up the entire house and we're out of there. It's move out day. It's officially the day that we're moving all of our stuff out. We've been working on for the past week, but this is the last day at the house ever. Monday, June 14th at 9 a.m. And I just got back from the Mini Coupe dealership fixing my seatbelt. I woke up at 7 a.m. to go do that, and it's an hour away. I was there for an hour and a half, and I just got back. So the fam has been packing the pods, and now I'm here to help. This is what pod number 1 looks like. These things are deep, so you can see how much stuff we got in here. And then this one, you can't really see because of the mattress, but like there's the TV, and it's filled to the brim. We have a few more things outside that need to be packed, and then our cars are being packed. Why you cut like that?
Why?
Why are you standing like that?
Oh, I don't know.
So tired.
Moving sucks.
It's the worst.
Even Mel's tired.
Mellow's tired.
Go look at Mel in my car.
Start your car and cool it off.
Oh, she's so sleepy.
Look at Keffy. He's like Simba.
Simba. What else do we have to do?
A lot. So get your mind ready.
Do we actually have a lot? I didn't think so. Don't we just have to put all that stuff in the pod?
Okay, turn off your camera and let's get to work.
I'm gonna time lapse us. Gary and Cam are leaving, and then we go into a hotel after we finish packing everything. Bye. See ya. See ya. Please, bro, I was literally pouting because I had to stand here in the hot sun and hold this mattress up, and I think it's hilarious. Empty house tour. I got asked to do a house tour so many times. So here's what our living room looked like. Looked in the past tense, that's weird. Here's the kitchen. My fish tank is now plugged into the kitchen. I'm not gonna give you guys the full tour, but I'll show you a little bit. Here was like the dining room area, our front door. These stairs take you up the front if you wanted to go to my brother's room and my parents' room. I think you guys saw the basement already from when we cleaned it out, but this was the basement. This big empty room now. And then obviously my room was in the basement, which I feel like you guys knew. Let's go back there. You walk through this hallway, this was the gym, and then here was my room. Insane that it's just an empty yellow box now. This is so weird because I vividly remember like my move-in vlogs. For the last time, hey guys, it's Katie. I officially don't live here anymore. Peace out, Girl Scout. Peace in the Middle East. Hey Chase, how you doing in there? I can't even see you. Where are you? Oh, there he is. Sandwiched between two mattresses. Oh no, it's gonna fall. My mom, Cam, and my two dogs left for Blue Ridge this morning. They're gonna be there for a few days, and then they're gonna come back here and stay in the hotel with us. Right now, Chase is in that bed, and Chase and I are sharing a room, and that's my bed, and Chase is doing school. I also have to do school because I am taking summer classes. And through here, and here is Bryan. This is my dad's room, and my mom will join him eventually. The move out experience went pretty smooth. I will say it was incredibly stressful. I've moved a few times before. I've lived in like 6 different houses. So I've done the moving thing a few times, but it was just incredibly stressful, and I'm so glad that it's over. Now we have 2 weeks of just a weird period in between time where we're living not in a house, where we're in a hotel, which is really cool. It really is. It's just different. Hotel life is completely different than living in your own room, and it's weird that I'm never gonna go back to that room again. I mean, my Gymshark package that I ordered stuff from the sale is going to my house, and I moved out of that house, so I'm gonna have to go back to get the Gymshark package. But besides that, I won't be going back there ever again. I'm out of the house. I can't wait for move-in vlogs. That's gonna be so fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that era, that time period of me in that house and in that yellow room, and I can't wait for so much more to come. I love you guys. Thank you for coming along this journey with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and follow all my social medias. Bye guys. Mwah.